Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a Moonshine Manny haul and swatches. This was for February of 2022. She sent this cute sticker, seasons change, my love polish stays the same. And here we go. So I've got Don't Stop Me Now, Sugar, Sugar. Oh, so pretty. Lovely Day. And The Luckiest. Oh, I love that one so much. Oh, nope. Can't show that one yet. Hang on. And then we've got Castle Walls. Stunning polishes. And then here we have Somebody to Love. Now, the deal is, see, oh, look at that luscious. Oh my gosh. I got two of them. I messed up and ordered two somehow. So I'm going to be giving this one away. Leave a comment down below that you're interested. Say enter me. USA only. I cannot ship polishes out of the United States. So there we go. Here we go. We've got our first one up. And then we're going to get to kicking. The first one was Don't Stop Now. And this is Sugar, Sugar. Here we go with Lovely Day. Sorry, you guys, I'm swimming here. Lovely Day. And next up, this is my favorite, and this is The Luckiest. This is the most unique. It's got like this green shimmer jumping out hard. This one here is Castle Walls. Very, very nice. Very nice. And then here we go. We've got Somebody to Love, and I'm doing it over Basis Loaded Lacquers on the black, a black cream. And then this one I'm applying it over, this was Phoebe's version of Flip Flop Fantasy, and I think it's called the Flip Side or Flip Side. I can't remember. And next I'm covering that same polish over Pacific, or no, In the Pacific. And then here it is, all on its own for Somebody to Love. Now we're going to do second coats of everything. And these are going to make them be what they would be on your nails with that second coat. And my swatch photo does have a glossy top coat on it. Don't Stop Me Now. Here we go with our next one. And I just can't resist any of her dupe-it polishes. Sugar, Sugar. Or, you know, things that, you know, speak to me. And these all did. Now, I don't really know what all of these are dupes for. And I don't know that all of them are really from the dupe project. Lovely Day. And that one does dry matte. So, I got glossy top coat on half of it. And then The Luckiest. Oh, how cool. And then, of course, Castle Walls. Like I said, I don't know that these are all from the dupe project. That was what was on the label. But two of these polishes are from the Freddie Mercury duo. And that's how I ended up with an extra of one of them. There's the Castle Walls. And this one here is part of the duo. Somebody to Love. So if you're interested, you know, just go check out her website and see what you're interested in. I will have a link to her down below in the comments section. And I loved it over Pacific, or in the Pacific. That's so pretty. But I really, really love this one all on its own. It was stunning. It's like wearing a pearl on your nails. So, like I said, I'll have a link for her down below. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.